So this is what the floor looks like before. Landlord watch. This is what the floor looks like before. And we're gonna see what it looks like after we get the work done. Cheers, family. So this is what the floor looks like before. Landlord watch. This is what the floor looks like before. And we're gonna see what it looks like after we get the work done. This is what the first coat is going to look like. Just the first layer. Oh, look. Matches the landlord watch. Looks great, I think. Excited to see the finished product. What's up, everybody? Richard Profit, and I'm back. Listen, so this is the correct way to get your garage floor epoxied, right? Everybody says, oh, we can do it in one day or whatever. Look, to do it properly, it takes 2-day minimum. It's a 2-day minimum thing because there's no way that, that anything can dry in the same day in a couple of hours. I don't care how many blowers they put on it, whatever. That's not the right way to do it. I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. The proper way, you diamond grind it down first day. You vacuum it out. You lay the epoxy down. You throw down the flakes. Day 1, you leave. Day 2, You scrape off the extra flakes. You lay down the polyaspartic with the water vapor, the water barrier, and you let that dry. Me, what I personally did, this is my personal garage, what I did was, so they only put one coat down of the top coat, whether you're using whatever, polyaspartic is the good one. So they only put one coat of that down. Me, what I did is after they laid the first coat down, I had them come back the following day, day 3, and lay down an extra coat of the polyaspartic because I wanted the floor super hard, super strong, and kind of shiny. So they charge you more, but 2 coats to me, in my view, is a proper way to do it. So it's kind of dark out here. I don't know if you're gonna get the full effect, but this is what it looks like. Check it out. Follow it. Apex Predator on wrist. Check it out. All right, so boom, there we go. Look, it's even sunset, and you can see the shininess. Because remember, I put 2 coats of the top coat of the polyaspartic. I put 2 coats. So we got the, the black and white. We went with the black and white to, if you know, you know. This is how it looks like. 3-car garage. And this is how it came out. At sunset, it's dark outside, almost dark outside, and this is how shiny it looks. Beautiful. I recommend anybody that's going to get this done to put down that second coat of top coat. In my view, it just looks fantastic. When you paint your walls, right, you always use 2 coats. When you polyurethane the floor, you always use 2 coats. So why not put 2 coats of top coat down on your garage floor? To me, it just looks fantastic. So we got to do another coat on the walls around. So I told them, don't worry about the little, because we're going to do another coat on the walls. So yeah, this is how it looks. In my view, he did a fantastic job. He even told me, yeah, it was a good idea to put 2 top coats on. Nobody ever asked for that, but that's actually great. Yeah, I know it's great. Thank you. The 8 is bringing New York ideas to the beautiful state of Florida, the free state of Florida. So yeah, this is a 3-car garage with the black and white on the floor. If you know what that represents, you know. If not, it's just a beautiful floor. Super shiny. The proper way is to let it cure actually for 7 days before you run your car over it. If you really want to get into it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. My garage has windows, has a door, 3-car garage, beautiful. All right, I'm your host, Richard Prophet. The 8 is in the beautiful state of Florida, man, and this is my garage. This is my floor. I showed you the proper way to get your garage floor done. Don't go with these fly-by-night guys that said, yeah, we can do it all in one day, blah, blah, blah. Look, your floor is going to be peeling up 6 months to a year. So take what the dragon is telling you as gospel, baby. I'm your host, Richard Prophet. the 8, and we're out of here, baby. Thanks for watching, everybody. But in all seriousness, do your floor, do it right. It's a minimum of 2 days, and if you can swing it, tell them to do an extra top coat of the polyurethane on day 3. All right, I'm your host, Richard Prophet, the 8, and I'm out, baby. We're going to the movies, actually. All right, later.
Cheers, family.